Unlocking language, understanding pronouns in English. Hello and welcome to our new episode of the English Language Learning Series. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating part of the English grammar, the pronouns. Pronouns are wonderful tools that make our sentences smoother and more varied. They help us avoid repetition and make our language more efficient. So, let's get started. Let's start by answering the fundamental question. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns or noun phrases. They help us to avoid repetition in our speech and writing. For example, instead of saying, John is a good student, John studies every day. John also helps other students. We can use pronouns and say, John is a good student. He studies every day. He also helps other students. Now that we know what pronouns are, let's look at the different types of pronouns. They can be categorized into several types. 1. Personal pronouns. These refer directly to a person or thing. Examples are he, she, it, they. 2. Possessive pronouns. These indicate ownership. Examples are his, her, its, their. 3. Reflexive pronouns. These reflect back to the subject. Examples are himself, herself, itself. 4. Relative pronouns. These introduce relative clauses. Examples are who, which, that. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. These identify or point to nouns. Examples are this, that, these, those. 6. Interrogative pronouns. These are used in questions. Examples are who, which, what. Each of these types serves a unique purpose, and we'll delve into them in our future videos. It's important to understand why we use pronouns. Pronouns make our sentences less repetitive, easier to understand, and more interesting. They are vital in both written and spoken English. Just think of how tedious it would be if we had to constantly repeat a person's name or a thing's name every time we wanted to refer to them. Thanks to pronouns, we can avoid this and make our communication more efficient. And that's our introduction to pronouns in English. It's a topic that might seem simple at first, but understanding the different types of pronouns and their uses can greatly enhance your English proficiency. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to incorporate what you've learned today into your daily English practice. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll go deeper into the wonderful world of pronouns. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.